be saying there are a lot of different changes in him. His attitude, and to begin with, my problem was this only. His attitude, very aggressive. Concentration was 0%, complete 0%. He could not sit in one place for 15-20 minutes, which used to create problem in the class also. So my main reason to come to you was his education. After giving him for 2 weeks only, I have noticed, he could sit in one place. He could remember answers, which was very, very, very difficult earlier. But now it's not a problem. He can actually remember word to word, which was amazing. And earlier, to be very open and honest, passing was also very critical, not very easy for him. But now I've just got his results. He scored like 55% in terminal. And he was not very happy, which was very happy that I was happy that he's not happy. But this 3-4 months has actually got him up the curve. With this food is actually playing a very important thing, and with him also, and it's also helping us. So it's actually, I can see it's creating a lot of difference in my house itself. And even teacher was very happy the way he has got his scoring. Earlier I used to sit with him, I used to read and I used to listen. Or he reads it and I tell him this is right, this is wrong. Now he says, what do you want? You want 1 chapter, you want 2 chapter? You just tell me. He goes inside the room, he locks the room, he finishes chapter and he comes out. Like 2 minutes I wonder, what are you doing in the room? क्या कुछ हो जाता है miracle that you come out and you give me 1 chapter? So earlier he used to tell me, you sit next to me. Now he'll say, you give me what you want, I'll go inside the room, lock the room, study and come out. So that is, I'm like stress free on that. Like I told him, within 3 months you could get this. Trust me, earlier passing, 100% passing, full subject passing, I have not seen since years. I have seen a report card which is some of the other red. I am waiting to see when I see a report card without a red mark, saying that passed and all. So when he came yesterday, and he also waits eagerly, you wait to listen my marks first. So I said, now you have tasted the success, so let that taste be in your mouth forever. So don't leave that, because he had never tasted success. So now he has done it. So I have a lot of hope.